Thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Airo and I create Aruba travel content as well as walk videos and an occasional travel vlog. As some of you may know, both the low and high-rise hotels on my island are very popular areas for your stay, but some may consider them just a little bit too busy. Me and my girlfriend Marlene recently had a chance to stay at a local and peaceful boutique hotel away from all the touristy areas, and in this vlog we want to share with you our experience. We first started with a quick and easy check-in process. Danke. No sabihin pa check-in. The garden is beautiful, isn't it?
Really beautiful. Love this flower from the
Yep. That's very nice. That's one of your favorites.
Yes.
Yeah. I think the room is over there. Oh, it's a nice swimming pool. It's like a bell.
Yeah, it's like a bell.
Never seen one before.
No.
All right.
It's beautiful.
Should we go to the room?
Yeah.
Let's go. Oh, I have to open the door with my phone.
Okay.
Did you know that?
No. Cool.
Yeah. So we have apartment 5. We're gonna click on the 5, and if everything is right, it's open. Wow, this is a nice space. Huh?
Beautiful colors, and it smells really nice.
Yeah, it smells really nice. The room was also very spacious and welcoming, but we love the attention to detail as well as other things you come to expect at a hotel or larger property. The bathroom featured everything we needed: clean towels for a bath, the pool, or for the beach, a shaving mirror, and a nice shower with handrails and hot water. Even a touch-free wastebasket. The second room was also very nice and highly recommended for larger families. For your drinks, they have an ice maker in the garden, and speaking of it, we are heading there now for our breakfast. The convenient cafe situated here is perfect for your breakfast or lunch and features a long list of items to choose from. I think I'm gonna go for the matcha. I love it.
Latte macchiato.
Okay, okay.
And croissant.
Croissant.
For me, the matcha and the Aruban breakfast. While we love the garden, you may also dine inside of this neatly decorated cafe. So I got my matcha hot matcha, which I love. I'm gonna tell you about it just a second. And the Aruban breakfast, you got the croissant,
cool Gouda cheese,
Gouda cheese,
and
and
a latte macchiato. I hope good.
that's very good.
Yeah, it's lekker.
Gonna go for the matcha. It's very, very hot, but let's see. Oh, it's perfect. It is perfect, but it's so hot. So I'm gonna let it cool down while I go for the actual breakfast. A typical Aruban breakfast with 2 croquettes, pasticci, some bread, scrambled egg, and a piece of bacon. So I got the scrambled egg with some spinach in it. Yeah, so good. And Marlin's got the croissant, of course.
Yeah, it tastes really good.
Really good.
Yeah, I love it.
One of my local favorites, the croquette. Lekker, good. We even noticed an olive tree in this beautiful garden and was informed that it was actually brought from Israel. Afterwards, we decided to go for a brief and relaxing swim, but since the weather was not collaborating on this afternoon, we then headed to the nearest supermarket, namely the Lingensoms. Here you can find all kinds of fresh products, including fruits and vegetables, meats, juices, and seafood. They also have a large assortment of cheeses and a buffet which is very popular among the locals. Nearby attractions also include a go-kart Grand Prix and a golf course at the Divi Golf Resort with the Divi Beach just across the street. Early evening, we headed to one of our favorite food trucks before heading back to the hotel for our dinner. We thought the garden was beautiful during the day, but at night it was the perfect place to enjoy our food and wind down the day.
I'll put my light in a bottle, something to guide your way. Even if you're too scared to follow, there's a light in each new day. If the moon gives up rising, the sun stops it shining, you know you'll have a hand to hold. As we wait on the timing, together we find it. There's more than one way to go home.
And while we went out and had that beautiful dinner at the other side of the property, they also have this barbecue spot where you can reserve and do and make your own barbecue and also sit on this side. Let's take a look. So they have this nice large barbecue pit, and I can see it's gas, and they got a garbage bin and somewhere where you can wash your dishes at the back, and on this side also the seating, which is, you know, quite can accommodate quite a few people, and it's very, very cozy with lights and the trees, the garden all around. We think it's beautiful.
Together we're finding there's more than one way to go home. Yeah, there's more than one way to go home.
The next morning, we had breakfast again at their cafe and decided to go for other items, including a box full of Aruban-style snacks. Starting our day in this beautiful and cozy garden is something we sure love doing. We also loved the kitchen because it's got a very nice size, and we got the stove, you got the fridge, you got a microwave and coffee maker. You can get ice down there and just about everything you need to have your stay a very nice one and a very comfortable and a nice size kitchen. In the garden, there's also the possibility of renting these bikes, which could help you visit the nearby sites and attractions. One of those attractions is the Royal Aruba Aloe factory, which has been in existence for over 130 years. Within just a few minutes walk from the hotel, you can buy the products but also visit the fields, check out the small but interesting museum, and see the actual process of making all of their products. Now back at the hotel, we decided to briefly check out the gym. Oh, nice. It's not very big, but it's got everything you need. We like the biking. You got the bench press and the walker. And the weights. And it's fully air conditioned.
Oh, it looks nice.
So we want to thank you for watching this vlog. I certainly enjoyed my stay here at the Rehoboth Boutique Hotel.
Me too. I really loved our stay here. I really loved the garden. We have breakfast there. and drink something and eat something in the night. Yeah, it looks beautiful. The flowers, the lights. Yeah, and the room. I also love the room. The colors. I love the Caribbean blue colors, and the bed was really good too. Yeah.
Yeah, I agree with her. Certainly everything, the outside rooms, like the garden, the coffee shop is certainly top
Yeah.
notch.
Yeah.
And the room was very big and it had everything we needed for our stay.
Yeah.
So if you are thinking of coming with a family, you know, this is certainly one of those options. The swimming pool, and the staff is also
Yeah. Very sweet people.
very
Yeah.
nice and always
Yeah.
ready to help you with everything that you need.
Yeah. And the relaxing sphere. The sphere.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love it. It's quiet and it's relaxing here. You can read a book or yeah.
It's very relaxing,
Yeah.
definitely.
Yeah.
Thanks again and see you in the next one, guys.
Thank you
Bye
so
bye.
much. Bye bye.